Hello, my name is Lynn Gillespie, and this week on the High Performance Garden Show Nuggets, we share with you a mummified aphid that we found in the garden. And the question becomes, what does this do for the garden? So to answer that, here's a clip from the show. And while I was in here, I noticed one other thing. And on this leaf, which is really weird that it's on the top of the leaf, this is the shell of a stung aphid. So what happened here is the aphid was on the leaf, and then the Aphids, probably Aphids colmani, which is a stinging wasp, is a parasitic wasp, came and stung the aphid, which it then laid its egg inside the aphid, and then the Aphids baby hatches out into an adult with wings and flies around and looks for more aphids to sting. So it's quite the process, and to actually see one on the top of the leaf is quite unique. So this aphid skin, the aphid was mummified by the stinging wasp, and then the hatchling cuts a hole in the butt end of the aphid, the mummified aphid, and then it cuts a hole, flies out, and goes to work looking for more aphids. So it's a pretty cool cycle, and it's a great way to keep your aphid population down. But I just wanted to show you guys this today because you don't normally see these too often. This clip is from the High Performance Garden Show Year 8, Week 12. And if you'd like to watch the whole High Performance Garden Show, it's free, it's online, and you can enroll on our website at thelivingfarm.org/high-performance-garden-show. For those of you that don't know what the High Performance Garden Show is, this is your gateway to learning how to create those amazing gardens that you wish you had. We'll show you how to create an easy, fun, productive, and organic garden. We follow a high-performance garden for 33 weeks from the seed to putting it to bed at the end of the season. This tiny 128 square foot garden produces over 800 pounds of food worth over $2,500 in one season with only a 15-minute a day commitment, and all the weeds from this garden fit into one pint jar. Go to thelivingfarm.org/high-performance-garden-show to sign up, or click on the link below. So please subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on any of the High Performance Garden Nuggets. This is all for today. Thank you for joining me, and may your garden be easy, fun, productive, and always organic.